How to check hidden messages in Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch the Messenger app on a device and make sure you are logged in so you can access all your messages. Now click on the hamburger icon at the bottom of the Messenger home screen. Find the message request option and tap on it. This is where Messenger stores messages from the people who aren't in your friend list. Inside the message request, you will find two sections. You may know includes messages from the people that Facebook thinks you might know. On the other hand, spam holds all the messages that the messenger has automatically considered as a possible spam or unwanted messages. Moreover, tap on any message to read it. If you want to continue chatting, tap accept to move it to your main inbox, or if it is something unwanted, just delete the message. A confirmation message will appear. Confirm your action. All set. Now you know how to check hidden messages on Messenger.